Alright, today is Blade Friday, and since we are so close to the 4th of July, we have the Hostess Patriotic Limited Edition red, white, and blue cupcakes. And I'm not sure where these things are made. Let's take a look. Alright, Hostess brands. It looks like they are headquartered in, that is Lenexa, Kansas. And here's the list of ingredients. Holy Christmas, that's a lot of ingredients. So that's the Hostess cupcakes for a treat today, and the blade we are looking at is similar to one I did recently. This is the Recon 1 I did recently. Today's blade is the Mini, that is Mini Recon 1 with the spear point, and it has a triad lock, which is nice. And it's got that ridiculous warning on it. Triad lock. All the information out of Grand Prairie, Texas. Please use caution when handling cold steel products. Knives are extremely sharp. Alright, and some of the specs on the front of the box. Blade length 3 inches, overall 7. Steel is AUS 10A, 3.5 ounces. And the handle is made of GRN, which is I believe that's glass reinforced nylon. It's just a plastic. So here is the blade we're looking at today. This is the Mini Recon 1. Got a lanyard hole, pocket clip, two-way pocket clip. It's reasonable. It's not great. It could be a little bit longer and not as stiff. There's that glass reinforced nylon handle. Does have some traction notches. They're not great. Has a thumb stud. And the blade markings are Recon 1 on one side. And cold steel registered AUS 10A, Taiwan. It's got that triad lock. Releases pretty good. Here is a comparison between the Recon 1, the original, and the Mini. You can see there's quite a difference. Let's see if we can get the equipment over here to do some specs. Alright, so the Mini Recon 1 blade length, they said it was 3 inches. So that's about right, 3 inches. Overall length 7, that's pretty good. It's really a nice EDC knife. It's light, fits pretty good. Let's do a weight test. I think they said 3.5 ounces. Let's see what we get. So I'm getting 3.3 ounces. That's not bad. Let's do a little cut test on this Mini Recon 1. So it came very sharp. Is that 2 sheets? That is 2 sheets. Very happy with the sharpness on this blade. It's one of the sharper ones I've had lately. Let's do a final drop test on the mini Recon 1 with the spear point. That was a miss. Let's try it this way. I'm trying to hit that grain. It's another miss. I'm going to try to get a little higher. Or maybe I'll just use a different test. A different test board. This one's got a little bit more grain in it. Okay, so this one does not pass the drop test. It's a nice little knife, and it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.